Hi, I'm Chauncey from BarSculpt headquarters, and I'm going to tell you about the equipment we use for a BarSculpt class. So the equipment that we have that's necessary for a BarSculpt class, not a BarSculpt prop class. The first thing that's important is a ballet bar. Really important about the ballet bar is that there's some space between the wall and the bar, about 7 to 8 inches. Secondly, if your bar is shellacked, it's going to be a little slippery. So we prefer if your clients don't wear socks, just in case they slip. These bars are a little more porous, so we have sticky socks, which are totally fine for them. Also, the floor. Carpeting is preferred for a BarSculpt class if you can get carpet on your floor, especially with a little shock absorbency, so that there's a little bounce, which will be better for the joints. If that's not possible and you're using hardwood floor, that's fine. Your clients probably won't be wearing socks just in case they slip. So moving on, the mats that we prefer for a BarSculpt class are the same as a Pilates mat, so they're a little thicker. This is really important, especially if you've got a hardwood floor. You want there to be a little extra cushion. We also like to have more 2 to 3 pound weights. Those are going to be used more often. You might also want to have some 4 or 5 pound weights for clients that would like a little extra in their arms, but mostly the 2 to 3 pound weights. We also use bands, and we like our bands to be cloth, not the ones that we can stretch further and move around. These ones will be used for stretching. And the blocks that we use in BarSculpt, we have 2 different types of blocks. These parts of the blocks and the balls that I'm going to talk about next are secondary. You can work with a class if you don't have the balls and the blocks. But if you do get the balls and blocks, these blocks are great for thigh work, for under the bar. They're 4 by 6 by 9. These blocks are really great bolsters for people. They're 1 by 5 by 7. And they'll be great for under the bar if someone needs an extra little bit of height. That's what we would encourage people to put underneath them. The balls that we use are about 6 to 8 inches. They're really great extra equipment for those who have injuries or who are pregnant. Again, these are secondary, the balls and the blocks. And that is what you would